Hey, I'm Scott, and today we're going to talk about Ekena Millwork's line of surface mount PVC gable vents. So what is a gable vent? Traditionally, gable vents have been used for a functional purpose. Nowadays, a lot of people use them for a decorative accent on the house, which truly is why we offer both options. Pro tip: if your attic space requires high airflow, please check out our line of recessed gable vents. Our line of surface mount gable vents comes in a ton of different shapes and sizes. We have circles, we have squares, we have rectangles, we have triangles. We truly have any shape or size that you need. It also comes in some different face frames. We have a very traditional 1x4 face frame. We have a very traditional brick mold face frame. We also have a brick mold with a sill plate. We have truly a shape and a size for any installation. In terms of sizes, we have a lot of standard sizes listed on our website, but truly, we can make any shape or size you need for your application. We carve our surface mount gable vents out of solid cellular PVC sheets. It is moisture proof, it is rot proof, it is insect resistant. It is the perfect product for the exterior of your house. This product is super simple to install. It really is as simple as using an exterior grade screw and a high quality urethane glue. If this product is not right for you, we make gable vents in every size, shape, material you can think of. For more innovative and interesting products, please check out our website or give us a call.